Everybody, my name is John Vento. I'm the art teacher at John Long Middle School. I've been here since the school opened. I've been teaching at Pasco County for 25 and a half years, so since 1995. Love what I do, and I just want to give you some information about the course. It's a semester course, so for first 5 weeks we're going to be working on some drawing and design challenges, and then we'll see how things go from there. So what you will need is a package of 24 colored pencils, and a package of thicker markers as well. I like the Crayola. They seem to last the longest. And what you will need also is a 12-inch ruler. Plastic or wood is fine. Some regular pencils, pink or white erasers. And we'll be working on some pretty interesting designs that you're going to be pretty impressed with, I hope. And grading-wise, I just want to let you know that you'll be taking photos of your work at first and then emailing them to me, and then I'll get that entered in for you. So we're going to be just kind of going as at your own pace for a while, okay, getting everybody kind of warmed back into it, and I hope you enjoy it, and I'm looking forward to seeing everybody.